everyone, welcome to my channel. Before watching this video, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Today we are going to discuss about dropshipping policy. Dropshipping or allowing a third party to fulfill orders to customers on your behalf is not acceptable unless it is clear to the customer that you are the seller of record. The following examples of dropshipping are policy violations that may result in a restriction of your ability to sell using Amazon's merchant fulfill network. Purchasing products from another online retailer and having that retailer ship directly to customers if the shipment does not identify you as the seller of record, or if anyone other than you, including the other online retailer, appears on packing slips, invoices, or external packaging, it is strictly prohibited without exception. Or shipping orders with packing slips, invoices, external packaging, or other information indicating a seller name or contact information other than your own is also strictly prohibited. Anytime a customer sees packaging, invoices, or receipts identifying a seller that is not either you or Amazon, it creates confusion for the customer about how their order is being fulfilled and whom they should contact with any problems or questions. If you intend to fulfill orders using a dropshipper, you must always have an agreement with your supplier that they will identify you and no one else as a seller of your products on all packing slips, invoicing, external packaging, and other information included or provided in connection with the products. Remove any packing slips, invoices, external packaging, or other information identifying a third party dropshipper prior to shipping the order. Be responsible for accepting and processing customer returns of your product and comply with all other terms of your seller agreement and applicable Amazon policies. If you found this video helpful, then do like it and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. So stay tuned with us and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.